How to protect your car's paint from the sun. So as you know, the sun can be harsh on your automotive paint. It can cause it to crack, fade, peel, and lose its shine over time. You can start by washing your car regularly. Simply washing your car removes dirt, dust, and contaminants that have microabrasions that can actually cause slight scratching on your paint that can slowly wear down the surface of your automotive paint. So regular washes maintains your paint by keeping it smooth and less susceptible to UV damage. Next, I recommend adding a ceramic coating. Ceramic coatings are made of nanoceramic particles that actually form a permanent bond to your automotive paint. This creates a hydrophobic surface that repels water, dirt, and grime. This will reduce the likelihood of mineral deposits, water spots, or stains happening on your paint. One of the biggest benefits is UV protection. Ceramic coatings can actually block harmful UV rays, preventing your car from oxidizing, fading, and keeping your paint looking its best. So, to summarize, if you want to protect your car from the sun, follow these easy steps. Wash your car regularly and add a ceramic coating to make that washing a breeze. My name's Adam with Ceramic Pro. If you have any questions about this topic or any other, please drop them down below.